So you want to turn off microphone in TikTok live mobile gaming. You're actually live streaming a game on your TikTok live and you want to turn off or mute the microphone so your viewers won't be hearing your voice and they'll be only able to view what you're actually playing on your live stream. Then this video is actually for you. In this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to turn off microphone in TikTok live mobile gaming. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see here on the screen, this is the home page on my TikTok app. So at the bottom of the screen you can see the plus icon right there. So you actually need to click on the plus button just like this, so you'll be able to go live on TikTok. So right here at the bottom you can see the live option. Now once you click on that just like this is what you're going to see. Below where you can see go live, you can see where it says mobile gaming. Scroll and click on mobile gaming just like this. So right here, after adding the title and the goal of your live, the topic, after adding all that and doing the necessary settings you want to actually do, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on go live. You can see that right here, but make sure you've actually selected the type of game you want to actually play. Looking here, you can see where it says add title. That is where you need to add a topic. That is to say the name of the game you want to actually play. Now let's take for instance you want to actually play eFootball 2024. You can go ahead and select eFootball 2024 just like this. So after selecting the topic, right here on the screen you can see where it says go live. So once you click on the go live button just like this, right, it says here that the entire screen is going to be recorded. So once you click on start, it is automatically going to start recording your screen, and whatever you are doing on your screen is going to be displayed as your live on TikTok. So I'm going to click on the start button. So yeah, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on go live. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on the go live button, you're going to start live streaming on TikTok. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the option of more. If you click on the option of more just like this, you're going to be able to see the option of mute microphone. Now looking here, you can see that mine is already turned off. If yours is turned on, you can go ahead and click on it in order to turn it off. So this is how simple it is to turn off your microphone while live streaming game on your TikTok live. Hope you found this video helpful. I like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell. See you in the next one.